So we are moving a disqualification petition against our two senior leaders because voluntarily they have given up their membership of their party. So basis that we are filing a disqualification petition on those two leaders. See, there is a Supreme Court judgment in 2020 which says that any anti-party activity is amounts to voluntarily giving up the membership.
But are you expelling them? Are you expelling them from Congress Party?
We have made our submission to the speaker.
No, but there was nothing like this.
No, there was a move. See, today BJP, if you see all across the country, there was a move to split the Congress Party in Goa. There was a definite move. They couldn't attain the numbers. They couldn't get the 2/3 majority. That is why the stands must have changed today. But the fact is, as BJP, या देशभर I mean जे महाराष्ट्रान सुद्धा जे झाले, they wanted to repeat the same thing in Goyan in terms of money power, in terms of muscle power, in terms of all the different agencies of government. So we have made sure that BJP is not successful in Goa, and that defection of 2/3 we have stopped yesterday. And see, today we have to fight for democracy. I mean, we have to save democracy. BJP democracy म्हणता ते नाका. त्यांका rule करपाक जाय. They don't want opposition. So their attempts were there, and I mean we have put all the facts records in place, and
दोघांकूच घालता तुम्ही
मायकल लोबो आणि we have put to काल जे आम्ही सांगितले both श्री दिगंबर कामत जी आणि श्री मायकल लोबो जी यांच्या दोघांचेर we are moving a disqualification.
आणि बाकीचे खूप
जण आहेत their primary membership from Congress Party.
They have voluntarily resigned, no, as a membership given up from judgment. Yeah. See, because any anti-party activity is giving up the membership.
But they are saying that they have not been.
There are evidences where there was an attempt to split the Congress Party.
Okay, दोघ जण म्हणतात उरलेले हात येतो जे कोण नाहले ते हा बरोबर हा.
काल आम्ही सांगला तसे जे सिनियर लीडर आशिल्ले तांचेर I mean yesterday AICC day Sincha said that strict action will be taken on two leaders, because see, today we have to save democracy. आज प्रश्न असा की opposition आज लोकांक हे भाजप म्हणटा ते फक्त opposition काबार करपाक मुखार सरला, and we have to save democracy. For that, in that interest, we have in fact spoiled all the game of BJP.
Leader of opposition आज जातलो तुमचो आजच्या दिसान जातलो leader of opposition.
CLP, see, we have to appoint our CLP leader, and then we have to give the application.
फाटले petition speaker मुखार अडेच वर्ष लागली result दिवपाक. या petitionाक तुम्ही result दितले कितें?
No, we have given full facts, and we'll make sure that we pursue this matter.
Okay. Lobo वांगडा बाकीचे आमदार असले त्यांचे अगेन्स्ट मूव करणं.
No, the main, I mean, see,
कोण लीड करताले त्यांका
काल आम्ही सांगला न्ही that party will take a strict action. So काँग्रेस ना जाल्यार opposition म्हणटा ते आसचे ना Indian. So I think this is that we are moving this disqualification.
Okay, thank you.